What's going on, guys? Hope you all are doing good and welcome back to my channel. So I've been wanting to buy a laptop since a really long time and I finally bought one. So I figured I'll do an unboxing video with you guys to share my reviews about the product itself, the accessories that comes with it, its packaging. So I bought this laptop during the Great Indian Amazon sale and it costed me 50k, and the link to the product is in the description box. Oh my god, the packaging is really bad, guys. I think Amazon can do a much better job when it comes to packaging, because this doesn't look like it's got a laptop inside it. It looks like an elephant or hippo has just sat on it. So let's move on to the unboxing then. This is the Acer Nitro 5 8th Gen laptop. So let's see what we have inside this box. So in this box, along with the laptop, we've got the charger and two manuals here. And now let's get into the specifications of the laptop. Okay, to start off with the look of the laptop, I love the color combination over here. Black and red makes it look a little classy, and also the body is made up of plastic, but because of the embossed effect here, it looks really good and sturdy. And the weight of it is around 2.1 kgs, but it's not that heavy. And coming to the keyboard, again, it's just not plain black, it's got a hint of red to it, which makes it really attractive. So to the right of the laptop, we have an audio jack, two 2.0 USB ports and a charging point over here. So to the left of the laptop, we have SD card reader, HDMI port, 3.0 USB port, Type C USB port and an Ethernet point. The screen is 15.6 inches and is 1920 x 1080 fully HD. It's got the Intel Core i5 processor and it's also got the Nvidia 4GB graphic card. So when you look at the back of the laptop, this is the slot for the 256GB SSD card and this is for the 4GB graphic card. Another cool feature that this laptop has is the Cool Boost technology that reduces the CPU temperature by around 11%, which basically helps to keep the laptop cool. If you're not a brand loyal person and if you're looking for features rather than just a brand name, I would suggest you to go for this laptop, because the same laptop with the same features costs around 70k or more in brands like Dell or HP. So overall, this is a great laptop and I hope this video was useful and you liked it. If yes, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.